You went big for a single sub, man. That's a crazy amount of motor force structure. Did a really unique style. You don't often see a box where you have a separate chamber for your speakers versus your box port. So pretty cool. What's going on, man? What's your name and what's in here?
I'm Jamie, and I got a single 15 sundown SDN.
Okay.
It's wired at 2 ohms right now.
That's a big magnet when you can actually see it right in front of you.
Yeah.
Wow. Did you build this?
No, I didn't build it.
Okay. Do you know anything else about the system with other equipment, specs, tuning, electrical?
I just got a 200 amp alternator running on the battery excess power 33400. Amp is a DS18 8K, but it's wired at 2 ohms, so it's doing probably at 5K, 4K.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
And who built the box?
I bought the box. I don't know who built it.
So this is a front stage for like the front staging that is
right
separate
now,
baffle.
Yeah, separate baffle. Yeah, it's separate. And right now they're not hooked up.
It isn't?
Subwoofers.
It is? Okay.
I'm still working on it.
Do you know anything about the box? Like
Box,
tuning?
It says tune 28 hertz, 30 hertz around there.
Okay.
That's what they told me.
Okay. Did you ever test the SPL on it?
Not yet. I'm fixing to.
You did? Okay. Man, that gets
Every
low.
year, Old
You
Spice
got one more song
restaurants
for me?
save millions.
All right. That gets really low though.
Yeah.
And that was sealed up with this door or window. Is it doing a little better with it down?
Yeah, that one's better with it down.
Okay. Nice, man. For a single sub. You went big for a single sub, man. That's a crazy amount of motor force structure for that sub.
I'm gonna get a different amp. That amp can't push half ohm, so I'm trying to wire the half ohm and get another battery from back here. And so it'll push harder. So I can push it to the max.
Oh yeah. Is there a way I can see the side amp and all? Yeah. You'll be able to have all that hooked up and playing.
Nice and neat.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Appreciate you watching too, dude. That's awesome. Have a good day, man. Nice to meet you.